Upgrade your bathroom with the Niagara Hadley Matte Black Bath Shower Mixer Tap, available here at Bella Bathrooms. This tap not only adds a touch of elegance to any modern bathroom, but is also durable. It is made with a high-quality brass body and features a stunning matte black finish. With 180mm pipe centers, installation is simple and easy, fitting perfectly into your existing setup. The tap is designed to perform optimally, delivering a refreshing bathing or showering experience every time, regardless of whether you have a low or high-pressure system. The convenient dual-lever operating system allows you to control the water temperature and flow to suit your preferences. The deck-mounted design adds a sleek and contemporary touch to your bathing area, making a modern-style statement. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara Hadley range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.